Hey guys, welcome back. We have bangs. This video is going to be a quick one. So the wig that I'm showing you guys today is from Nadula Hair. This is one of their put on and go wigs. So this is going to take us 3 to 5 minute tops. The wig that I have today is their Yaki straight layered wig with bangs. It still has the bleach knots, it's plucked, all of that pre-cut for you, but we just have bangs today. So there's literally no hair that we have to leave out. And this is right out of the package. So we're gonna style this wig together, which not much styling needs to be done. Now the bang does have a roller in it, but we're just gonna clip that away and focus on the hair right now. And since it was packed in that bag, it does have some kinks that we need to straighten on out. So I'm just showing you guys what the unit looks like. This unit is actually 24 inches long and it's pretty long. It has a few layers in it as well, but I'm just going to take my straightener on, I think it's like 450 or 60 degrees, and I'm just going to knock the kinks out and also straighten the hair because I do want a nice straight sleek look. And when I straighten extensions, wigs, I don't use any kind of product on the hair. I just want the hair to perform at its best ability and not be weighed down. So let me know, do you guys actually put like heat protectant and stuff on your hair extensions? Cause besides hairspray, I don't. Which is also just personal preference. I really don't like a whole lot of products on my natural hair, so I definitely don't want a lot of products on my extensions. I just want to flow and be free. Anywho, this hair is 150% density, I believe, so it has a really nice thickness to it. Like, it's not skimp at all. It also is not heavy and it has a good amount of movement, which is good because, you know, this wig is right out the pack. It hasn't been washed yet. Now we're getting into the bang. The bang comes pretty long, kind of like depending on where your wig would sit on your head. You guys know I have a low hairline, so I feel like the bang is longer on me because my wig is like closer, if that makes sense. But I'm just trimming the hair, well, cutting, because I definitely took some length off that bang. And if I had thinning shears, I would probably go in and thin the bang out as well, just because I like a wispy bang. And I want my bang long, but I also don't want it to be in my eyes. As you guys can see, I'm constantly going to be playing with the bang in the video, but I'm just kind of getting it to how I like it. But I am just going to go in and take a little bit more hair to kind of expand the width of my bang, because I don't like a short centered front bang. I want my bang to go from like eyebrow to eyebrow, like end of eyebrow to end of eyebrow, if that makes any sense. So again, I'm going in with my flat iron and just bumping the bang. I love when the bang is piecey. I think they took out a good amount of hair, but because this hair is Yaki straight, the strands are thicker, more dense, so it's going to give a more full appearance, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is the bang we're gonna roll with, because if I keep cutting, I'm gonna mess it up, and that's not what I want to do, because I love this wig. I'm so happy that I have a wig that I could just throw on and go about my day and not have to worry about any like leave out or anything. But since this is a layered wig, I'm just gonna go over the layers that's already on the hair and just kind of clean it up a little bit, and also trim the ends because I am a sucker for blunt ends. I just love how they look. So that's all I'm doing. And then I threw some curls in the wig, and I didn't bore you guys with the long process of curling, but I'm just showing you how I curled the hair. I didn't want a tight curl. I wanted something nice and loose. So that's all I did. And then I'm just going to go back in and bump my bang, because I did actually wash this hair and let it air dry before I curled it because I wanted to curl the hair on clean hair. So yeah, and I feel like washing it made the bang a little fuller. Doesn't it look fuller? I don't know. But this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair info in the description box for you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.